In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 of the top reasons why good employees quit their jobs. And now before we get started, I want to make it clear that this isn't just a list of things that the employers are doing wrong. A lot of times there are circumstances that are out of our control that can lead an employee to quitting. But if you're an employer or someone who wants to become one someday, it's important for you to be aware of these things so that you can try your best to avoid them. Stay till the end because I'm going to share 3 things that can help you retain your talent. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. This video is in partnership with Keep Financial, but more on that later in the video. Okay, let's discuss these 7 reasons that your talent is ready to hit the road, Jack or Jill or whatever. They don't feel appreciated. When employees feel unappreciated, they may become demotivated. Think about it. You're busting your tail to get things done, and no one acknowledges it. Quickly, it leads to a decrease in productivity, a decrease in work quality, and ultimately dissatisfaction in the job. Let's talk some real numbers. Keep Financial did a study on 2,000 employees. Over 40% said they feel undervalued. And in the healthcare and retail industries, the numbers were worse, 45 and 55 respectively. If you're in healthcare or retail, give me a comment below. Do these numbers sound right to you? The next thing that makes your employees want to walk is they're not given opportunity to grow and develop their skills. Believe it or not, many people don't come to work to do the bare minimum. They come so that they can pay their bills, obviously, but they really want to develop and they really want to learn. They want to be part of something that challenges them. Many employees need to see that there's an advancement path for them to follow. When they don't see or they don't feel this, they may start looking for other opportunities that can provide this growth. Next, their workload is too heavy. Burnout is a real thing. According to a study by Deloitte, 77% of employees have experienced burnout, and more than half of those said it was more than once. What does this mean? It means that overworking your staff can lead to mental and physical exhaustion. A lack of work-life balance is a high probability that they're going to look to work elsewhere. Another reason they're hitting the door is that they're not paid fairly. Let's be honest, nobody punches the time clock for fun alone. They do it for the paycheck. And when the paycheck makes the employee feels undervalued, or makes them feel like they're being taken advantage of, or a feeling of less than, you guessed it, they will look for greener pastures, if you know what I mean. The next thing, this is a big one, their boss is a jerk. Not you, the other people. This statement breeds a toxic work environment. Here's the deal. A boss who's a jerk can single-handedly ruin a workplace. Jerk bosses can ruin their team's morale, decrease communication and trust. If you worked for someone like this, what would you do? I bet you'd do the same as me and you would start looking elsewhere. Here's another reason that people are hitting the door. They don't like the company's culture or values. There is so much talk about company culture these days, and I believe we missed the mark by a long shot. Now, business is business, but take Google for example. They've long been focused on company culture, with unlimited vacation and stocks and stocked cafeterias and fun games rooms. But do you really think culture is their priority? How about when they laid off thousands of employees without notice? How do you think their culture is doing right now? I'll bet you it's not great. And I'll also bet you those who are still employed by Google, they're looking around. Another reason that employees are leaving your company is that they're just not happy anymore. You may think that this is a moot point. I mean, can you really make people happy? No. But you can make it possible for them to find happiness at work. This is about job satisfaction. Working with a team of people who are equally interested in growth. and a supportive leadership team that looks at employees as individuals with individual hopes and dreams. So that's, the bulk of why people are leaving, but let's talk about what you can do to retain your top talent. The first thing is you can offer bonuses. I know, I've heard it too. But this is where today's partner, Keep Financial, comes in to help. Keep allows you to deliver bonuses tied to retention, and making sure your great employees stick around is what Keep is focused on. Keep bonuses are delivered as upfront cash to employees and are earned over a specific period of time. The employee earns their reward just by staying with your company. And a recent survey showed that 86% of employees would indeed take upfront cash tied to a time commitment at their company. So this delivers value for employees. And Keep takes the chore out of bonus management so that you can focus on what matters, keeping and engaging your top talents. You shouldn't have to worry about the administrative burden of taxes or compliance. All regulations are taken care of automatically with Keep. Your bonuses will be a source for easy employee retention. Invest in your employees' future, and it will be returned to you tenfold. With this easy bonus platform, talented employees get the financial leg up they need while you enjoy guaranteed loyalty. Who said good things don't come easy? In the description below, you can click on the link to learn more about Keep and how they can help you. Also, in doing so, you're helping this channel at absolutely no cost to you. That's a cool bonus. The next way to keep your staff is fun activities. Employers can keep employees around longer and happier by investing in activities that promote teamwork, great memories, and a pleasant work environment. From company hikes to team building exercises, the possibilities are endless when it comes to fostering employee relationships while having fun. Next, flexibility. Employers looking to keep their most talented people should consider offering flexible work arrangements. By allowing remote work or giving employees the freedom to manage their schedules, your company, can ensure that those with excellent skills remain part of the team for years to come. And fourth, mentorship programs. You can unlock the power of your team's collective knowledge. Membership programs encourage employees to grow from each other, and it creates a sense of loyalty that furthers the commitment to the organization. It also puts meaningful guidance on career paths and professional development. Really, what more could somebody ask for? There are all kinds of reasons that can lead to an employee leaving the job, many of which, like I said, they're out of your control. But that being said, it's still important for you to be aware of these so that you can do your best to avoid them. If you're struggling with retaining your top talent, there's no need to worry, as there are several solutions for you to explore. Contacting Keep Financial could help retain your best employees, so don't miss out on that opportunity. Click the link at the top of the description to take a closer look at what they have to offer. And after you've done that, I'll see you in the next video.